Saptashringi, a small village near Nasik. Here resides the goddess, and here lies the origin of our story. It was the regime of Peshwa Bajirao II. Two heavyweight wrestlers, Ali and Gulab, were challenged by a teenaged boy named Ballambhat Deodhar. To ensure his victory, Ballambhat started meditating at Saptashringi. The goddess was so pleased with his dedication that she sent Lord Hanuman to teach him some special wrestling tricks. Ballambhat followed Hanuman's order by practicing on a wooden plank. With those tricks, he defeated the mighty Gulab and Ali. As Malla means wrestling and Khamba means pole, so Ballambhat named the sport Mallakham. Mallakham is a sport which requires athletes to perform and balance on a vertical wooden pole. Though pole Mallakham is the original version, however, rope Mallakham is equally important. In 1923, Prahlad Lakshman Kale, a master in gymnastics, founded the Samarth Vyayam Mandir. Later, he started operating from Shivaji Park in Mumbai with the mission to set up a premium physical education institute at the heart of Mumbai. And from here, the journey of Uday Deshpande started.
We were staying at Kala Chowki and we had one Morris 8 small car. So father used to drive, mother used to sit by his side, and we three brothers and one sister always sitting at the back seat, and he used to drop us here. So since then, when I was hardly 2.5, 3 years old, I started coming here.
From being a player to a coach and now everyone's guru, Uday Deshpande considers Samarth Vyayam Mandir as his abode.
When I was in college also, I used to come here in the morning, go to the practicals, then go home, have food, go to the lectures, come back in the evening, then go home late in the night. Even when I was working, it was the same thing. Even on the day of my marriage also, I first came here, practiced Mallakham and then went for the marriage.
This tireless effort of more than 60 years is finally bearing fruits as Mallakham is now widely recognized.
Mallakham Federation of India came into existence in 1980-81. They started conducting every year National Mallakham Championship. I was about 11 years the secretary of Mallakham Federation of India, and then Mallakham was propagated in almost all the states of our country, even the northeast. I met about more than 100 MPs from all over India and request them to write a letter to the sports minister that Mallakham should be recognized as a sport by the government. So in 1996, so all these national championships records we collected and went to Mukul Vasnik. We discussed everything and he gave me a letter in that same meeting that Mallakham Federation of India, headed by Mr. Uday Deshpande, is recognized by this Department of Sports and Youth Services. But now, after Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister, has taken interest in Mallakham, he has changed the total scenario.
The induction of Mallakham in Khelo India Games has stimulated the interest of many young athletes to practice this sport.
During the starting time, it was very difficult to choose Mallakham sport as a career. But my family, my mom and dad, they both supported me to choose Mallakham as a career. When you start practicing Mallakham, your motor skills, body balance, concentration, neuromuscular coordination, all the systems are being developed.
I like to play Mallakham sports as it inculcates discipline in me. It also increases my focus in studies as well.
Mallakham has now spread far and wide, and this transformative journey has been thoroughly enjoyed by the veteran practitioners of the sport.
I have seen the journey of Mallakham for now last about say from 1970 till today. Mallakham is getting looked upon as a fitness exercise by many. It's a simple single rope or a pole which is giving exercise to the entire body, and of course it's an artistic sport. I see the participation in Mallakham is increasing, specifically the participation of girls. Girls are not only doing the rope Malkham, which was the traditional way in which they practice. Girls have started practicing pole and they are really progressing fantastically.
I have been playing this sport from the past 12 years. So the scenario which was like 12 years ago is completely different from what it is now. So we didn't have facilities like even at the national levels, but now we are getting a good stay, food facilities, and as well as good compensation for what we are winning.
As the youngsters rise and fall, swing and move, get up and rush, the positive vibes spread. They have boundless energy, utmost commitment and sheer determination to preserve the indigeneity of Mallakhambh. It is a joy to feel that our very own Mallakhambh is indeed in safe hands.